Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I've been asked to weigh in on this one, and I haven't really said anything about it, but Facebook announced a while back that they were going to get into the cryptocurrency world and issue their own currency, which of course would be able to be used on their site and many other places, and it was going to be called Libra, as in, the freedom coin. Yeah. Now, last week I believe it was, Congress in the United States sent over a cease and desist order to Facebook for this because the U.S. government, of course, is rather concerned about this, because anything that is not the U.S. dollar in the United States is very difficult for them to track and therefore collect income tax on. And that's what it gets down to, right? Government is a black hole for money. I mean, that's how they exist. That's why they keep getting more and more powerful, is because they keep getting more and more money and taking more and more control. Right? And, well, we could talk about that particular element for quite a long time. So what does the cease and desist mean? Not a lot. Will Facebook move forward with Libra coin? Not yet, but they will. You're going to see in this particular space some backbench deals going on. The government will have no issue with the idea that Facebook is going to be issuing a coin that can be used globally. And now some governments will, and they will ban it. They will ban its use in their country, which would be very hard. But likely they'll just ban Facebook, which is okay. I'm all for that. Personally, I'm not a Facebook fan. I've never been a Facebook fan. But backdoor deals will be done between the governments and Facebook to make sure that they get the data that will be generated by the use of these coins, so that if you are hiding money by using these coins or you're not declaring money, they will have you by the short hairs and therefore remain with their control. Now, why would Facebook do that? Because they're going to get paid for it. They already sell data to the governments. They already assist, like Facebook has assisted the Chinese government with their surveillance projects. Facebook simply cannot be trusted. The only way, and I'm a big fan of cryptocurrency, this one, no. If Facebook does it, I don't trust it. And like Microsoft, there is really absolutely nothing anyone can say or do to ever make me trust Facebook. And it wasn't because of their ads. It wasn't because of their data breaches. None of that. It was because they were reading my private messages. And to me, the word private messages means something. And since I'm at home when I'm typing that private message, they, as far as I'm concerned, have invaded the sanctity of my home doing that. Therefore, Facebook can take their Libra coin, they can turn it sideways, and they can shove it up their candy asses, if I wish to quote The Rock. And I suggest you also think that way as well. I mean, the idea of a global coin is something the powers that be would really like to see happen, because the idea of the EU is one currency, and there was supposed to be an America's Union, which has never happened. Right? In which case there would be one currency, which of course would be the US dollar. But over time, the idea was to have one global currency, right? Because it makes handling the people far simpler. Anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell. Plus, check us out on Patreon. There's a lot of tutorials I would like to be doing for you to help you secure your privacy. Things such as setting up your own virtual private network, setting up your own cloud instance, doing a live update so that you can see exactly what goes on behind the scenes with Linux, because Linux is one of the most important foundations of your privacy. But unfortunately, it means I've got to spend money to do it, so we need your help to get that type of thing done. So hit that Patreon. Even if you're putting in $1 a month, it adds up, and it adds up quickly when we have a lot of people that are doing it. Catch you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day.